In this video, we will go over how to connect your GoCardless account to Kolleno, how to import mandates, how to configure automatic payments, and how to set up GoCardless mandates in Kolleno. To start with, open the Kolleno platform and go into the settings. Go into Payments and then press Connect. Then you are redirected to GoCardless login. Enter your email address, enter your password, agree to the terms and conditions and press Connect. At this point, you are redirected back into Kolleno, and now you can see that your GoCardless account is connected. To import mandates, you press ellipsis, and here you see a few things that you can action upon. So, import mandates. If you have not set up GoCardless mandates via Kolleno, you can just import them. For example, as you can see here, most of these are already matched up. But there are a couple more that do need matching. So, at this point, I can search for the contact, Crown Wheel Hotels, and for this contact, I would choose Crystal Diner. There we go, and hit save. At this point, all of those mandates will be imported. We can just quickly go and double check that they are. And in the payment methods, you see that there is now showing a spending, because that will become active as soon as the first payment is taken. Then if we go back to the settings, there are a few other things that you can do with GoCardless. You can configure automatic payments. So what does this mean? You can ensure that your due invoices are charged with GoCardless as soon as they are becoming due. So how long do you want to collect your payments for? Forever or for a specific date? We always recommend forever. Turn on the automatic payments and then just click save. So what does it mean then? Every time there is a due invoice for each of the customers that you have set up in GoCardless, they will get charged automatically. What do you do with the overdue payments? At that point, for example, let's go to the customer Crystal Diner. You select invoices, and because there is 2 outstanding, you can select them and you can charge the customer. So for example, because the mandate is not yet active, you could select bank account. You choose which one and you click charge now. You would just need to re-enter the password and confirm. At this point, these 2 invoices will be charged via GoCardless. You will see those payments come through in your dashboard in GoCardless if you wish to view in there. And it can also be automatically reconciled to Kolleno. If you are NetSuite, QuickBooks, or Xero users, we can easily do that for you as well. For Sage, we will require some customization. But again, if you go into settings, into payments, and you have reconciliation here. So first, you will have to connect the accounting platform, and then you can follow a few small steps to do GoCardless reconciliation. If you have any questions on that, please contact our support and we'll be able to help you with that further. At any point in time, you can also disconnect it. And that means that nothing will be working with GoCardless in Kolleno. So if you would like to set up mandates not in GoCardless but via Kolleno, I would suggest creating a template, or you can easily do a new communication. For example, new email. And you would say, please set up direct debit here. And to add the link to set up, you would highlight it. And you see this link sign here, you copy and paste the tag. At this point, you will be able to send the exact link to GoCardless to set it up. So if we press preview, when your customer clicks here, it will go directly to GoCardless. And they will be able to set up their direct debit. And what does this mean for you? You don't need to go and import mandates as I've shown you. That makes your life easier. And then you can just start charging your customers automatically. So that's the few use cases that you can have with GoCardless in Kolleno. The reason we also recommend doing that is because it takes away the manual setup in GoCardless and for you having to create a subscription in GoCardless to create the ongoing charges. So with Kolleno, it allows you to set up the invoices, and as soon as the invoices become due, you're able to charge them. So that means there are no late payments for yourselves. One point to mention is, if there is a bounce back, we will always mark for you here in the tasks whether there is a GoCardless mandate active or inactive, or there is a failed payment. So that means that you can be on top of your credit control and making sure that you don't have any failed payments going forward. Any questions in the future, please reach out to our support@kolleno.com and we'll be happy to help you.